Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you remember in my last video, if you watched that particular video, you notice that I showcased where I was able to purchase a coin with a minimum of $3. Okay, with my USDT $3, I purchased this particular coin called Mother, which I showed you guys a practical example on how to get that done in my previous video. So right now you can see that with our $3, we already have about 32 cents in profit plus. Okay, so and this is what we have gotten so far from this particular token ever since we bought it. This is because we used a little amount of money, and mind you that you making profits from using this kind of strategy, the spot trading strategy, it depends on the amounts you invested or you are trading with. So imagine this was about $300. I will be making about $32 plus in profits. Okay, so right here you can see it for yourself. This is not a joke, and right now we can just go and check it to see the current price where I bought this particular token. Right now let's just move into the chart to see the particular price where I bought this particular token. Okay, so right now you can see the average buy price right here. This is where I bought it, and right now you can see the current price, which means you are making profits. Okay, so you can see that this particular strategy that I'm showing you guys is the best. And how do you even able to make money with this strategy every day? The thing is that this market gets, brings us a lot of opportunities every day, so it's not going to be murder every time. Okay, so this is it. And the thing is that I would advise you shouldn't put all your egg in one basket so as to have capitals to invest in other tokens, because this same opportunity will be showing up in different tokens. I know you'll be asking questions like, what if I invested my money and the price start depreciating in value? The thing is that trust the process. Even though no strategy is 100%, no analysis is 100%, but still, yes, trust that process after making your analysis. So the thing is, you don't put all your eggs in one basket. Take for instance, you have $100. You want to purchase a token, so you will not just take all that money and go and buy Mother. Okay, so you kind of you split that money. You invest $30, look for another coin and buy, spend $30 on that particular coin. After your analysis, I repeat, don't invest or buy any coin blindly without making an analysis on it. So you're going to be coming to the gainer section, so that's where you're going to be seeing all the coins that are gaining for the day. So you are going to be searching. Take for an instance this particular coin called the Voxel that has gone up to 80%. Let's just look out for it to see what happened on this particular coin. You can see this coin has been here for some times now, and it happens to get up to 100% in a few time. Can you see that? Look at it right now. You can see there was a breakout right here, a breakout boom, and the coin started pushing up. So the thing is that if you had used all your money to purchase that particular coin called the Mother, you wouldn't have that opportunity to purchase this one. But the thing is that once you see another opportunity, you can still sell out your Mother, part of it, and then come to this particular Voxel and buy this particular token. Okay, so right now you can see that this particular one made 82%. Imagine you have about $100. Do you know that you'll be making extra $82? So this particular strategy I'm showing you is the safest way to trade in the crypto market. That is the spot trading. Okay, so now you look out for other opportunities. You can see coins are doing 40%, 80% right here. These ones with a very high percent are new coins, but this one with no label called the new, they are not new coins. So this one, you can see this one called Wing has did about 44%, which means if you have about $4 or $10, you should be making extra $4. And you can see this market is very simple right here, how this market was able to spike. There was a spike on it which will be caused by people buying this particular token. Okay, so you can see it for yourself right there. So that's how you are going to be looking out for every morning. You make sure that you come to the market to analyze every morning so as to not to miss any opportunity. And you can see that core USDT did about 17% right there, and you can see this pattern I've been talking about right here, this particular pattern right here, and you can see that wow, this is so cool. I can see that core has been doing massively well. Imagine you bought, can you imagine that I even bought core at this price, but I was quick to sell out, and right now look at where core is. Imagine I'd left my core that particular time I purchased it. By now I should be seeing a good amount, a good figure, right? So that's it, by the way. Well, let's go back to our this thing to see some if there's any change like pi, because there's this time we purchased pi and pi was doing greatly well. So let's see if pi added in value. Well, there's nothing much in pi. Pi is just about made 5% to 6%. So it seems like altcoin, there was a rise in altcoin. So that's how you're going to be doing. You split your money. So if you buy this one, you buy this one, you buy the other one. Just know that this particular trading strategy is not with a very high risk. Okay, it has a minimal risk, and this is not meme coin you are trading. These are coins, altcoins that has potential in the market. So I'll advise you trade altcoin either than meme coins. Meme coins are highly risky. Once it goes down, you can never see it come up to any level again. You feel it, right? So that's how it's being done. Now you can see that pi is getting gain now. So right now you can still purchase pi at this particular price right now. So this is where I sold because I had to purchase another token. So this is where I sold, this is where I bought, but the market went down against us. Even at that, there was a rise when I bought at this price to this zone. But one thing I noticed about pi is that when pi started, after pi got launched, it has been busy. We like this particular pattern called the triangle pattern has been found much more in pi token, because it has been giving us this pattern ever since it got launched. So right now you can see there is a symmetrical triangle right there. This is a perfect triangle. You can see for yourself right there how I drew it, and there was a breakdown, and this was due to panics in the market, where buyers panicked, or those holders panicked that this market might go down, and one of the big holders decided to sell the coin, and now you can see a very large drop right now. So that's the reason for that particular drop, and it dropped, and right now we are seeing it gaining another, and you can even see that even at the bottom right here, it still gave us a triangle pattern right here, a triangle pattern which a breakout has already occurred, and now it has broken out, and we are expecting a very good rise now from pi. So if you want to buy pi now is the great opportunity for you to buy this particular token called the pi network. Okay, so and that's it. And if you look at, there are coins which I pasted here as my favorite. You can see that this particular AI Dodge that was doing well the other time is now down to minus 61%, which we saw about 160%. So you have to be, that's why I say don't buy coins blindly. You have to be analyzing those coins to make sure, yes, so this is what I'm going to be doing, and just know when you will be leaving from the markets, when you'll be going out of the market. Okay, imagine, let's say now at that point where you bought this coin and you saw this particular drop, the best thing is just to leave that particular market when you start seeing a retracement. Okay, because the market, nobody owns the market, because looking at it right now, all this structure, they are the buy structure. So guys, I'll still going to be making a video just to take you guys literally by the hand on this journey and making money in the crypto industry. So Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so as to be the first to get notified whenever I drop any updates in my channel. Okay, so now see you in my next video. Bye.